Hello friends, welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss JavaScript function. We will create a function and run that function in JavaScript. For that, let's create a function. Give the function name. First name, comma, last name, open curly bracket and close curly bracket. Let's write the code that we want to execute. First name, space, last name, close the bracket and semicolon. This is a function which shows full name of the employee when this function is called. Let's call this function. To run this function, we need some code. The code is here. This code will be required to run that function or to run any JavaScript code. You can write this code as it is. I will post this code in the description. Let's copy the code for the function that we just created. And put that code inside the script. So the code is placed between the script. Now save this file as HTML. This file is saved as HTML. Let's run this file. The file is saved as HTML file. Let's open the HTML file. You can open the file in any browser. I am opening the file in Chrome. After that, right click your mouse and click Inspect and click Console. You see the function was run, and this is the output from the function. If you check the code, the employee name is John and Smith. So employee name is John space Smith. The employee name is John space Smith. This is the output. Let's create another function with return code. Function employee income. This is the function name. Salary plus bonus. Close the curly bracket. So inside the function, so total salary is salary plus bonus. It will return total salary when this function is called. Now let's call this function. Let's put this code inside the scripts as discussed before. Here, so the code is placed inside the script. Save it. Now let's run this code. Actually, you can just go here and refresh. Okay. Let me check. This is not expected, so let me check. Oh yeah, you need to provide the parameters. 1000 is salary and suppose 100 is bonus. So let's correct this here. Save it. Now let's see the output. Refresh the Chrome. The total is 1100. This is the output. You can show the output like this also. The total salary including bonus is, and plus sign over here. So let's use this code inside the script. Save it. Now let's see the output. Refresh the Chrome and the total salary including bonus is 1100. This is the output. So this is how you can create simple functions in JavaScript. We created two functions without return code and with return code. I hope this tutorial will be helpful and informative to you. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.